today. Ray of sunshine.
Yay! Of course you're gonna have more tea, Fuzzy. I'm so glad you like it. Fuzzy!
Ray, what is it?
Something's wrong with Fuzzy.
Oh, nothing's wrong with Fuzzy, Ray. That's a chrysalis, and Fuzzy's inside it.
What's he doing in there?
Well, he's taken a sort of caterpillar nap, and when he wakes up, Fuzzy will be a butterfly.
But we are gonna have another tea party today. I can't have a tea party with a
Chrysalis. Just give Fuzzy the time he needs. You can have a tea party with him again, but you'll need to wait.
Oh, come on, Fuzzy, wake up. Closer, Ma.
I know I said I can't wake up without my coffee, Ray, but I don't think it's gonna work for Fuzzy.
Oh. 3, 2, 1.
Ray, is that my phone?
Oh. Now. Aww. I can't believe it's taking so long for Fuzzy to wake up.
I know, Ray. Waiting can be no fun sometimes.
Maybe Fuzzy doesn't want to have another tea party with me.
Well, I'd like some tea.
Me too. And me.
Seems to me it's tea time, bub. What do you say?
Sunshine Ray says okay. That tickles.
Janie Mac, Ray, look!
Fuzzy? Hey, Marcy. My flower's sad. Thanks for trying, Marcy. Why are you so sad, Flower? I really want you to be happy. That music sounds pretty sad. I know. Anna!
Hey, Ray.
My flower's sad. I think it needs some happy music.
I've got just the thing. Be right down.
Yes! Don't worry, Flower. Happiness is on the way.
Ready, Ray?
I'm ready. Ready, Flower? I'm sure it's ready too. All right. Yay!